Welcome back to our channel How to Guide.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can use vehicle motion cues to reduce motion sickness. So guys, the new iOS 18 update lets you use vehicle cues to reduce motion sickness. So guys, if you stare at the certain points of the vehicle cues, that would help you if you're having trouble with motion sickness, and it will help you reduce it. So guys, you just need to go ahead and open settings first, and once you're there, you'll find many options over here. You just need to go to accessibility and just go ahead and tap on motion over here, and there you would find option of show vehicle motion cues. So guys, that's the option that we need to turn on, and through there that can help us reduce vehicle motion sickness. So guys, once you've turned this button on, you have successfully enabled vehicle motion cues to reduce motion sickness. I hope this video was helpful for you.
If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.